Jiahe CNC Router, Shandong Company Limited is a professional CNC machines manufacturer dedicated to the development and research of CNC stone router, CNC metal engraving machines, CNC wood router, and laser machines. Professional design solutions meet various of customized needs from customers and are committed to the research and development, production and sales of high-end stone CNC router, 4-axis and 5-axis stone engraving machines. The professionally matched design solution achieves a perfect combination of performance, precision, and appearance, and various types and specifications of equipment can meet the needs of different customers. Through computer control and software and hardware system integration, the CNC machines developed and produced by our company are widely used in stone art processing, 3-dimensional animals and 3-dimensional Buddha statues, jade processing, large-scale casting, mold, modeling, glass carving, metal processing, plasma cutting, copper and aluminum mold manufacturing, ceramic tile carving, real estate model, packaging and printing industry, computer graphics, handicraft production, furniture stamping, interior decoration, wave plate processing, and other industries. Our company's equipment strictly implements ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification and European CE certification standards. We have exported our machines to many countries, for example, USA, Peru, Mexico, Canada, India, Thailand, Vietnam, Korea, Japan, Indonesia, etc. Our good quality machines and perfect after-sales service have gotten the positive feedback and support from customers.